This is a living/capture challenge for white. It's a very classic under the stones technique. Once you see a pattern like this, you really need to connect right here as white. Otherwise, if you try something like this, black will capture this way and there'll be nothing else for white to play. But connecting here will work, right? Notice that black cannot come in here, cannot come in here, and black can only play from the outside. And white cannot come in here or here either. So the best white can do is to capture this stone, and now white will be able to come in at E19 because of there's an extra liberty here at the 1-1 point. So black will capture this way, but after capturing, this is what's called under the stones. So under the dead white stones, there's still a cutting point right here at number 7. And white will be able to capture black this way. And the key shape really is this bent 4 shape here on the first and second lines. And the cutting point is actually right here, right? This is what white is aiming for after white gets captured. And this is a classic illustration of this technique. So if you're not familiar with it, take a moment to remember this. If you're already familiar with this, you probably didn't have much trouble finding the correct solution. Hope you find this challenge helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.